Hello everybody, children of early years foundation stage at Grange Primary School in our nursery and in our reception. I'm Mr. Kerbal, the head teacher of Grange Primary School, and I hope you've seen me visiting in your classrooms, and I hope to visit you lots and lots more times as you learn during the year in nursery and in reception. I'm very proud of you, and maybe you know our Grange CC way. That's where we put our hand on our heart. You know you've practiced that with CC walking. And if you do the full CC salute, it's a hand on your heart, and then a hand circling out that way. Because when you put your hand on your heart, that's confidence. I want to be my best. I want to make good choices. When you circle your hand outwards, I want to have consideration. I want to be kind and think about other people as well. That's our Grange CC way. Confidence and consideration. When we do CC walking, we're being confident because I'm walking to where I need to go to, but I'm being considerate. I'm being careful to not disturb other people from their learning and to make sure our school is a calm and respectful place. What I want you to do when you are at Grange is I want you to make the most of all your time at our wonderful school and to learn really, really well. And to learn well at Grange, you really need to do a few things. Number one, you need to do good listening. Number two, you need to use kind words. Number three, you need to use kind hands for great actions. And then you have confidence and consideration. Now, I just want to talk about good listening. Good listening means looking at your teacher, your educator, when they are talking, really listening to them. If they ask you to do something that will help you with your learning, you do that task that they've asked you to do, and you do your very best, and you keep on improving. So do it with me, everybody. Good listening, kind words, kind hands for great actions. I give you all a CC salute, and I look forward to coming to visit you and spend time with you to help you with your great learning at Grange Primary School. Be great, be Grange.